Hello, I will present a method in the values project called black box testing for security-informed safety of automated driving systems. My name is Martin Skoglund and I work at RISE, Research Institutes of Sweden. The network place for a black box or independent security-informed safety test would be after the product development and before the release to market. The typical use case would be certification test for type approval or rating test for like Euro NCAP or for exemption procedure for prototype testing on open road. And it could work to establish trust in the technology and bridging the gap between marketing portrayal of the ADS system and the actual performance of the system. The method we are looking at here is limited to safety relevant aspects of security, which means that confidentiality and privacy issues is not relevant for this method right now. It is black box, which means that we assume limited insights into the implementation of the system. It is scenario-based, and it's not geared towards an exhaustive evaluation of the system, but a validation of a representative set of traffic scenarios. It's a member of dynamic application security testing, which means that the application is running, executing, while we are attacking it. The current scope is limited to wireless attack surfaces and only targeting availability at the moment. The dust method that we have described can be seen here on the right on a very high level. It's a very early prototype, which we hope to refine during the values project. It starts by extracting the information we can from the system under test, deploy it on a test track where we initiate it in nominal behavior and then attack it by some kind of attack on its sensors. The post-attack behavior is then captured and co-simulated with all the relevant traffic scenarios for that ODD, and then they are searched by a criteria to extract the critical scenarios. Then there is the need for an additional validation step to ensure that the results are valid. We hope that this three-stage approach will limit the dangers involved in performing real attacks on an ADS vehicle in a complex traffic scenario. Also, find the scenarios that are critical in the event of an attack from a large set of candidates. The results are promising, and we hope that the proposed methodology can generate test scenarios to establish a baseline for a minimum level of cybersecurity for a ADS vehicle, and also extrapolate the results to feature classes. That was a very short introduction to the foreseen dust method, which we'll hope to improve on in the values project. Thank you.